Hey. Ow. Okay.
Let's see.
Hey, my name is Mason. I'm 10 years old and I built my first PC.
Hi, and welcome to the Real Ferrell family. And today we are building Mason's PC.
Surgery is going down.
What's your hope?
Are we starting on the motherboard?
Wait.
This is the mother. Yeah, we're doing the motherboard right now.
Okay.
I don't know if we should be sitting this close to me. Down? I think I put it back down.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you put that back down and latch it back under. There.
Come on.
You're good. And latch it back under. Under. Good job. Okay. You gotta keep this. This is all the motherboard.
Time for the RAM. We're supposed to take this off.
So,
Oh, the RAM's over here.
Such a smarty pants.
We spent $400 for this.
Tell me about it.
Oh, it's the RAM prices. Next, we're doing the RAM installation.
What have we done so far?
We only did the CPU.
and this we that she's saying.
Oh, sorry. We'll be right back. Our battery is dying. Micro Mace is in the lab.
Is it not going in?
Laboratory. You're supposed to click.
Right, you're supposed to push it down. Open it.
Okay.
Same thing. Line it up. Make sure you get in the slots first before you push down.
See, babe, you know how to build a PC.
No, it's confusing.
I think that was the
It
question.
definitely.
Because if it didn't click, then PC won't turn on.
Yeah.
Okay, so what are we doing next? What's the next step?
Storage.
Storage.
We're installing the storage.
You said you think we need to take this off. Why do you think we need to take this off?
There's no, I don't see any NVMe slots, so. Knew it! Oh, that's for so you can like stick it in. Screwdriver.
But where's the
I
screw?
have plenty.
Where's our screw?
Here you are. Oh.
I think this one's good.
And in the slot. There you go. Hold it. Is any of this supposed to like cover it to protect it?
I think it is. So, wait. What? This.
That's gonna we gonna put that back on top. I was just saying this we can look it up. Maybe look on the name.
Wait, I think it's like.
Yeah, go ahead and make it.
So, let me take this out. Ooh, it's new.
You never know what these kids how you're doing.
And I guess.
Yeah.
You got it.
You got this. You got this. If anybody believes in you, I believe in you.
Why did they make it so hard? I
Hmm.
think it was the SSD. I thought
What's next, Micro Maze?
Phantom Spirit 120 SE. We got the same thing. I think it's a different process for AMD.
Keep up these names.
I think we should follow the trash. Yeah, we were organized.
Don't worry, I'll pick up all the trash.
Are you sure this is all trash? Let me look at all this stuff. Make sure I need a screwdriver. It's tight.
This is so cool. Mason has been wanting to build his own PC for a very long time now, so we are all super excited with Mason. We're almost done. Are we almost done? Are we almost done?
We don't know.
No, we're not. But stay tuned. We're almost done.
AM485. This hit
Okay.
AM4.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's those.
Yeah.
Because it says AM4.
Yeah. So take those out. Take your time, dude. You got scissors. No rushing. I don't want you to cut yourself.
AM485 are these. Now we need a Phillips tooth screwdriver.
And so do that one a little bit, and then do this one, and then you can tighten them at the same time.
Well, I can't wait to see how this all turns out.
Ding.
Okay. And you're gonna apply that with the screwdriver. Let's see.
Sticker?
What does it say?
Warning. Please peel off before you use it. Are you supposed to put thermal paste
on it? But I'm just trying to see how they want you to do this.
Alright, I think it said put an X.
You want me to go that way?
Just like,
Across this way?
no, it's like just putting like an extra space.
While they do that, I'm gonna do my job. I'll pick up the trash.
You on your side?
Good?
Yeah, I don't feel like it's on. But yeah, let me try it. I guess if I screw it down, we'll find out.
It's looking good.
It's still down on that side?
Yep, still down.
Does anybody need to touch the box for the static?
120 SD. For the math calculations, we might have the same weight. He has Intel, we have AMD.
Beep, beep, beep.
You got it?
Alright, time for the next one. So it's gonna be like
You're gonna look back on this when you're 18 and be like, wow, I did this with Big Papa's help. This is why we call him Micromaze, the coder.
Let's see what's next.
The game.
What's next, man?
The
the
PC
connectors are
builder.
different side. I think you're supposed to connect these to here.
Oh, and also, if you're wondering, his glasses are not prescription. They're just blue light glasses. They make him look really smart.
I think we're supposed to turn this around because it's here. The fan's blowing over.
Yeah, the fan's blowing this way.
We're supposed to put this back.
Micromaze.
This is CPU.
Both of them?
I think we're
So
supposed to do
I will,
both.
yeah, I will put this one in the closest one though. Don't have them crossing. Yeah.
Do this. Okay. We also need some cable management. We have the same thing, but we have RGB.
We don't know how to short this thing. We don't know how to test it.
Oh. I think you did that after.
Just test it to see if the fans came on, but I mean...
We will see. We will see.
You want to put the whole thing together?
Yeah, I think we're supposed to put it together and we will see.
Okay.
We're on to the case.
Where's Trash Lady at?
Oh. Dun, dun,
Alright. Alright guys, so
Bust
you
me out the wrapper. I'm Brandon.
ASMR. So good. That was perfect. They always say it's ASMR time.
For our rate. Personally, I like in the case or in the kit packaging.
Accessories.
Oh my. More ASMR.
ASMR. Ooh, let's take a look inside. What do we have here?
Take it off.
Alright, so after that, it's time.
It's time.
Hold on, let's...
It goes on top.
That goes to here. No?
No? It's like it floats.
How many holes you got?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep. Now we're here. This is the IO shield.
So try to put this in first. Don't try to put it on the standoff. So you're gonna scratch your motherboard. It's gonna be wrong.
7
Wait.
fans.
Yes. Seems lined up. So this and that. I think you should start that. Next, I think we should do that one. I think there's no order at that point. Now
keep
time for the ultimate one. So we got one here. This is RGB. There is power, I think we should find the cable first.
You mean
USB 3.
3.0?
Alright. It says it's over here. Found! It's right here. It's right here.
Okay.
So we gotta do really
Yeah.
careful.
Well,
See it?
yeah, I got it.
So
Make sure it's lined up perfectly. Straight? Is it straight?
Yeah.
This is what it's something.
Right.
Doesn't make sense.
When the last time did you touch the box?
I don't know.
The box.
Mason never.
You need to touch the box so you don't get shot.
There you go. There you go.
When was the last time I touched the box?
Me, I don't know. I don't know. I said I touched the box.
Somebody's a fan of Kobe.
There's 2 of them. 4, 3. There's 5, 4. Look at the F panel.
It's 4 at the top and 3 at the bottom. The F panel. That one that you're holding.
1, 2, 3,
That's
4, 5, 6, 7. That's 6.
Come on, cameraman.
This man is not confusing us.
That's like $1.06.
We got the Pro version, so it doesn't have the cables.
Why does the cameraman have to be a
alright.
man?
I'm still.
HD audio coming around the way. The HD audio is over here. Here. Audio. I see it right. Alright, it's in.
Yo, go. Get it, Mace. Hey. 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 Oh. Yeah. My girl Mace. My girl Mace.
Connected. CPU.
Nice.
PCIe.
Right.
Seems that we are coming to a
I
pause.
think it's the one that's together. The one that goes together, the 4.
Suppose pause.
Yeah.
Is it really a pause? Well, we're gonna pick up tomorrow with the finishing product. I missed it, so you guys gotta show me again.
We're not gonna feel the same way.
Okay, Grandpa's on the phone. He sees the FaceTime. No, you gotta do it all over again.
Good. Then we gonna see if it works.
Yeah, I'll see
Yeah, you
it
can
now.
come around this way.
All right, let's see if
you already
it's
turn
gonna
it on?
work.
Do you already turn it on?
Let's see if it's
Okay,
going
did you plug it in?
Let's see.
Let's see.
Wow, Mason.
bro.
This is crazy. Dad talk about bro. Whoa. Yeah.
How you
Crazy.
put that together?
Yeah. Isn't it cool, Dad?
Yeah, that's nice.
Listen, what's going on?
The fans are not spinning.
He be using the screwdriver. Okay, so we have to figure out the fan.
Picking off. Yeah, let me see him do that. Oh, be careful. Man.
The ram's turning on.
Oh, let's troubleshoot something.
Huh.
Let's turn this off. Let's figure out how to get the fans on.
What?
He did it. That was okay.
Go Micro Maze. This was a huge project.
Show her how it looks when it cuts on, man.
Ooh.
Look at this.
Wow. That is so cool. It's up. Yay. This is amazing. Do you guys see the details in this? Let's get closer.
Good
And
job.
also look at the monitor.
Okay, so we're up and running. Okay, what do we have here? Do we have a finished product?
Yeah.
Okay, so you have your PC down here. Mason likes double monitors. Wow, that's cool, Mace. So that's why you wanted the double monitor. Is that why you wanted the double monitor?
Yeah, so I can multitask. This is great for you, Ty.
I like it.
How does it feel?
Good.
It feels good? You're just like, yeah.
So are you all the way set up now?
Yeah.
Everything's done? Job done?
Yeah.
Job is done. Good job, Mace.
This is so exciting. You have such a cool room here. Got your iPad. Got another screen. So you screened up, aren't you? You have a keyboard that lights up.
Yeah.
Your PC lights up.
Yeah, I was trying to figure out which wallpaper I should do. I was like, let me just like choose this one.
I think it's cool.
You figuring out your wallpaper?
Your PC's so quiet. That's good too.
Is it on right now?
Yeah.
It's quiet. It's very quiet. You can't hear anything.
And those fans are going?
Yeah.
Wow, that is really good. It's so quiet.
They are going.
Okay. Yeah.
This is so awesome. Tell the people how you feel.
Happy.
You feel happy?
Proud.
You feel proud?
Yeah.
Speak up. We can't hear you.
That's really it.
That's really it.
We could tell by your tone that you're so happy and proud.
You're so cool, dude. You just chill. You're like, yeah, I built my own PC.
Just another day being micro Mace.
Yippee.
Yeah, this GPU's handling it, I think. Yeah, the GPU's handling those two monitors.
That's awesome.
It took how long to build? 2 days?
How many hours?
How many hours?
Okay, so all my calculations, we started at 1:30 and we ended at 6:30, so that's 5 hours. After that, we ended. After the other day we finished. We did it at. We continued at 3:30 and we ended at 7. So that's 9 hours.
9 hours total.
Yeah, 9 plus hours.
9 hours. You guys are so awesome. You did an amazing job. Should be proud of yourselves. Pat yourselves on the back. Alright guys, so that completes our video. We are fully wrapped with the new PC, right babe?
We might have to upgrade it in a few years.
Upgrade?
In a few years.
Well, you can't just upgrade the parts?
You could upgrade the parts. I'm talking about the parts. So it's like,
Oh.
if the GPU is getting old, like every 3 to 5 years, you should upgrade. So like the PC doesn't get laggy or something.
Oh, okay. When he gets to talking in these terms, it's like...
I got you.
Alright guys, well we thank you so much for watching our channel and watching this video. Make sure you tune in for our next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and share. Alright guys,
Peace out.
subscribe to the Real
Ferrell
Family.